Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Just let me know if I'm audible to you. Traders, am I audible to you? Just let me know. Okay, so this is the first live stream after New Year, right? As of now, US market is yet to open another uh, approximately what 7-8 minutes. That's it. Not audible. People are saying it is audible for them. Gaming Beast, you're saying it's not audible for you. Just check once. Okay. Fine traders, welcome back after a long break. New year again we have come live stream. So going forward every day I'll be coming live stream. All right. So around 8 p.m. Oh, don't worry, every day I'll come. Okay. Now first of all, US market is yet to open. Now what you can see here is I've already taken one trade just before me coming live. So what is the logic here is we have not used too much logic here, right? That means you can see before I come live stream in the crypto community group here, what I've said is market has formed the setup which we need. So this setup is something that there's the magnet zone. From here a reversal is expected. This is purely based on the strategy what I have thought here. So that setup was forming in the group. I have informed somewhere at this zone. From there market had given a momentum towards the upside. So based on that I give the setup. Okay, now after US market opens the view can change. Sometimes the setup might fail, so like that situation we might come across, right? So anyways, since the setup is available, I have seen that US market as of now, Nasdaq, S&P 500, both are kind of 1%, approximately 0.5% to 1% down. Now initially, one more reason why we have taken the setup not directly like that is because there were some people here, right? Considering this as support, market moved up. So when this level broke, many people would have entered bearish trade here. So to hunt their stop loss also, market can make a slight momentum up to this zone. After the gap up, if the continuation happens, even better for us. But basically we will just trail a stop loss. No need to give too much stop loss for the trade, because during the market opening time quickly we can see some kind of correction in the market and things like that. Since lower end I've already informed, right? Planning for trade at the zone based on the setup. Only according to that logic we have taken the trade. Next update as we move forward, I'll share it with you. Now just that if market slightly after the US market open quickly, if BTC starts moving towards the upside, we can capture a decent momentum and we can close the trade. Then we will look at the second trading setup. I've not read any comments as of now. Long time no see. Yes sir, long time no see. Don't worry, going forward we will just this one. Anyways, based on the setup what I've discussed here, ideally our entry was somewhere here, right? When I said close to 300 360 points momentum we have got from the time I have given the setup, saying that our setup is forming. Whoever has entered, if you have placed your stop loss somewhere at this zone or cost to cost, you are kind of safe. No big loss in the market. Right now we will see what kind of opportunity, if we are getting a big spike or something like that, maybe up to this zone or little higher at until this zone, we'll just the stop loss what is there, we'll just keep it here. Okay, so trailing stop loss will hit, that is okay. If the trend continues, we will capture bigger moment. One more thing is, based on the setup, let's say I go on a 15 minutes time frame. What you will notice is market is continuously in an uptrend, and I'll go to 30 minutes actually. In 30 minutes, what we have noticed is this range. There was selling pressure here, again there is selling pressure here. If anyone has entered the trade, if the buyers who are there in the market, if they're strong, they will push the market little towards the upside. So that possibility also is there. It completely depends on how during the market opening BTC is reacting. Okay, as of now it is just moving towards the upside, that is fine. We will see how it goes. Only if it goes above this, selling pressure zone and continues, then our expectation is market will move next to these zones, this zone, and maybe it can go up to 1,02,000 also. But it completely depends, right? How strong the buyers who are there at the bottom. If they are really strong, then there is a potential of continuation. Or else at the upper level, any reversal setup, or let's say on a 3 minutes time frame, we book our profit here and exit. Market gave a breakdown, retest. This trend line is continuously acting as support. Later, if this zone breaks, small stop loss, we will plan for bearish trade towards the downside, because slowly they're pushing the market towards the upside continuously, right? If this zone, what is acting as trend line, if market breaks the zone, a retest shows continuation, these levels market can target. That time little focus will be on the bearish side. Just let me know in the comment section, is the view clear? See, target, as of now, mainly why I have not kept the target is because we are going as per the this one, trailing stop loss. Now market is open quickly like this moment we are seeing. Now here only if it hits my stop loss, my setup will fail. So, but if it moves towards the upside, I'm just going to plan my trailing stop loss. Okay. Stop loss is important, that I have decided. Target I have not yet decided, because if the trend continues, our stop loss will keep trailing and going, or else this reversal, if it's my stop loss, I will exit. Let the market show upside momentum, then we will decide what can be the target. Target is secondary, stop loss is the most important thing that we will pay attention to. Okay, before US market opens only, or let's say 1 hour, 1.5 hour before, if I've got our setup, I would have been more happy, because probability would have been at least 70%. Now market momentum based on opening, anytime it can fluctuate, that is why probability is little bit less. But still I had to discuss about the setup with you. I have had to take this entry, right? That is why I've come live now. Now you see, from the time I gave this update in the private Telegram group, you would have got the update here. But here also, this one candle alone, how much movement it is doing? One candle alone is 300. From here another 300, close to 600 points. Now is there any logic for us to keep bigger stop loss? No, right? So someone was asking me about the target. We'll keep trailing our stop loss and going, so that this is a risk-free trade, no pressure for us. Okay, whoever wants, you can see nice, like 100% return you would have got already in this particular trade. You want to exit, please exit. Okay, so from this zone only you can see 700 points, right? So that's a very good movement. Anyways, we are trailing the stop loss and going. What is there for us to worry about? So whatever happens, this is going to be a risk-free trade for us. Continuously this area was acting as resistance, market was negative. Now you see what kind of movement. Pressure is there, but profit also is increasing. So see what you want to do about it. This one candle alone, like before coming live stream I said, right, that one moment I want to capture. That is what we are doing right now. So whoever wants to book, please book. Oh, I think what happened to my trade? I don't know. By chance did it hit the stop loss? What it is, I don't know. I don't know, some kind of thing. I think our trailing stop loss has got triggered. Yeah, traders, this market too much spike it was doing at this zone, right? So quickly, a trailing stop loss has got hit. So approximately for me, for the trade what I have taken, close to I don't know how much profit you guys have made. Just let me know. Okay, Deepak, your trade also got closed, is it? Okay, that's what, some kind of glitch or something has happened at the zone. I was getting a bit confused because profit what we were seeing around $45-50 during this move, it should have increased. Quickly I could see it reducing. So around $25 is what I made in that particular trade. Anyways, the movement was very good actually from the time I gave the update. 1200 points, at least 700-800 points if you have captured, it is good. What happened to your trade? Just let me know in the comment section, traders. Ethereum also I have put the setup and kept. You can see I mark this as important resistance. Market is facing rejection from there and it has moved. Here also in Ethereum our setup has kind of worked here, we can say. But early morning market move it has done. Later if the correction is there, we will try to look for next opportunity. Now I don't want to go back and start investigating, what happened here, how, trailing stop loss. As far as I could see in my eyes, nothing like that was there. Maybe I'll switch to 1 minute time frame. You see, when it was up to this level only, my stop loss already got triggered. I'm not sure why. Anyways, I have the recording with me, right? I will go and check that. But now the next setup, we will wait for a bit. Too much volatile. Yeah, that too much volatility to capture only we to enter the trade, right? But some kind of issue there. Okay. uh, Anyways, for me, $25 around profit I had got. That is okay. Next trade we will see, traders. Okay. So first trade done, purely based on what I have taken the first trade before the market opens. It is based on our strategy setup, right? Our strategy setup is forming. So before market opens, any nice momentum towards the upside up to at least 96,500, idea was to close the trade. So that time also I did not give target. Why I did not give target is because goal is to come 8 o'clock live, but 7:50 only I had come, right in front of you only. I took the trade, I showed the setup. So that first setup is done. By then, and everyone would have understood why I did not keep the target, because that moment we had to capture, stop loss alone we have to keep trailing. So that's okay. One time it was $60, now closed around $10. Yeah, traders. Sometimes very rare, but for me, when I try to capture this market opening move, right? Even for me, like this issue, I have not faced. Good thing is I have the recording, right? I can go back and evaluate what has happened here. Hmm? We'll do that. We'll not think about what happened in the first trade, whatever it is. The trade is done. Now sitting and thinking about why $60 went to $10 or why my $70 went to $25. No use. We will think about the next setup. Okay? Agreed? Can I start discussing about the next possibility in the market? In the comment section, reply if I'm audible to you, because I need to see how many of you are okay. All right. Now, what I said previously, I said this was the selling pressure zone. Okay. From this range to, if I go to 30 minutes, this upper range, right? This is the selling pressure zone. So from the selling pressure zone, what has happened again in market, we could see that selling pressure even after the first 3 to 5 minutes after market opening, we could see that selling pressure. At this upside move, what would have happened? Let me I'll let you to guess. If someone has entered at this breakdown, okay, bearish trade, if they placed their stop loss, some people would have booked and gone. But during this reversal, what would have happened? Their stop loss hit, correct? There's no other stop loss. That means, what is the next potential of the market? Can the market go and hunt the stop loss of people who are at the bottom? Okay, with that view only, next I'm going to look at the market. So probably, if this is a breakdown, retest, breakdown, then small stop loss, these areas will be my target. So can I consider that is the next plan? At this range, why I'm not considering? Because still market is deciding. It removed all the weak players, but do I have to continue the trend, or should I go below to hunt the stop loss of these people? Market is yet to decide. So in between, if I enter, let's say buy trade here, stop loss has to be here. If I enter sell trade here, stop loss has to be here. In both the situation, stop loss is more. Correct? That is why patiently waiting for the next setup is important. Pure pump and dump. It's not pump and dump, traders. I feel it is stop loss hunting. Okay. As of now, market is in what? A range here. This is the range. So hopefully, if the sellers who are on top is weak, again market will move towards the upside. If the buyers who are here, after giving a breakout, something like that, removing all the weak sellers, next if market wants to trap people who have entered buy positions at these zone, and market was slowly moving towards the upside, to hunt their stop loss, if it wants to correct, next correction towards the downside is possible. That we will get to know when market goes to this area. Okay, we will wait. First trading setup is done. That's okay. Next trading setup we will see. Hopefully, let market do its thing. What it wants to do, let it decide. Let's not interfere in between. Wherever setup we get, based on that we will try. Now I'm not sure how many of you looked at the setup when I shared here. Okay, if you are in the community group, you would have got the access already to look into this. Now, if you want to join our crypto community group for absolutely free of cost, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can check. So here you will get regular update. Sometimes the setup, what I say here, reasonable stop loss, bearish trade I expected, that setup failed. In case market would have given a breakdown, retest and continuation, bigger momentum would have captured. But today one setup failed. This setup what I gave, I will consider this to be a success because nice momentum up to this zone. So like this regular setups I'll be sharing. You will also get the strategy video, you will also get the live trade setup, all the examples you will get based on the strategy, what kind of opportunity you can capture, everything you will get to know, right? Regularly we will share. All you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. So if you want, in the pinned comment also I will share the link. Okay, whoever wants to open account, I'll copy this, I'll paste the link here. So to get all these benefits, you can open account with Delta Exchange. You can see the link in the description. It's also there in the pinned comment now. Okay, I'm not looking for short opportunity. I'm saying I'm looking for short opportunity only post this zone. Breakdown, retest, breakdown. I'm looking for long opportunity only if I'm getting confidence that the sellers selling pressure zone in the market is weak. Here from selling pressure zone we saw a wick here, right? Now I'm considering this area as important selling pressure zone. 30 minutes time frame I will show. So here this range is there, right? The sellers who are here, will they re-enter or not? That clarification I want to have. If the sellers are weak, next market will go to target them. That is why I'm keeping my view a bit neutral. Both on bullish and bearish side we will look for opportunity. As of now there is no opportunity because market is in this range, right? Within this range it is trading. Again it is moving like this. No, can I enter? That we can try to test if the buyers are strong, but little we will see traders. If it is there, immediately I will let you know based on what I feel. See here it is there, little pressure is there, but how much we have to look into this. If the move happens, it is difficult. Okay, I'll take my next trade. I've taken my trade at the upper level, but for this particular trade, a very big stop loss I will not give. Okay, I'll go down, I'll place my stop loss here. Anyways, we are using the profit what we made in the first trade, right? First trade, whatever profit we made, we are using that. Now just to see, from selling pressure zone we got at this one breakdown. Market would have removed all the weak sellers here. Now next what again market is doing, it is trying to go above the, trying to go in the selling pressure zone only. Market is trying to move up, right? Green candle, next candle is not able to break this low. This next candle is not able to break this low. This means there is some kind of buying pressure in the market. So already first trade I made profit, I will use that. What is there? So this is a long trade, this is the stop loss. Maybe we will try bigger target if we get good. This wick what you see here, this particular wick, this one is people who entered bearish trade here, right? That have placed their stop loss. That time these wicks when they close their position in market, you can see some selling side pressure. Okay, that is the pressure. So many people immediately that have placed stop loss, or some people who have not placed their stop loss when market corrected, they would have started seeing big loss, they would have exited. After removing all the weak sellers, now market, if it is showing some continuation on the bullish side, then why not? Stop loss is small, we are not taking very big risk for this trade. So as of now, we will try to approach this bullish trade. If market moves down, goes below this zone, in case my stop loss hit, next I will focus on bearish trade. It is more about probability, right? Entire month based on price action, stop loss hunting, how much trades I take, based on that, how many times success is there, how many times failure is there, that matters. Some people, they take everything into trade by trade basis, they calculate, okay, first trade profitable, second trade, no, everything is month by month. Now traders, how was your new year? How many of you traded in crypto during Christmas time? Ram sir is saying super. Now traders, around 43 people are watching the live stream, only 13 likes. If you are making use of all the trading psychology, stop loss hunting, price action concept what I'm discussing here, then please share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. And after doing that, please mention that in the comment section, traders. Mention your name in the comment section. So as soon as you complete your like, mention your name in the comment section. I will announce your name. Okay. The first 10 people, whoever likes the video, mention your name in the comment section. I will announce your name. Ram sir, you like the last sentiment. Okay, good. Karthik sir, thank you. Kishore from Jharkhand. Hello sir, thank you for joining the live stream. Thanks for liking the video. Ram from Kanyakumari. Uh, Hello Ram, thank you so much. Balaji sir, thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Thanks to each and everyone who's supporting the channel. Special mention to everyone who has liked and mentioned your name in the comment section. Happy New Year, Balaji sir. Happy New Year, everyone who's watching the live stream. Now, traders, see, target for this trade is big, stop loss is small. First trade, we have already made profit, right? We have very less things to lose, and there is a probability of market moving towards the upside also. Anyways, we always say market is supreme, market is supreme. That is why every trade we give stop loss. Stop loss here is reasonable, right? So once we are giving, decided this is the stop loss, this is reasonable, then we have to stick to it. Okay. No need to worry too much about will the market hit my stop loss, will it not? All those things is secondary. What is the setup saying? Setup is saying its probability is there, risk is small. Then we go ahead and take it. If market proves us wrong, it is saying no, today I want to be bearish, then we will see at the lower end when market goes below this zone and shows continuation. Maybe after this live stream also, the next setup, whatever I see in the crypto community group, I will update. Anyways, going forward, every day I will be active, right? So, no problem, traders. Next 3 months. Visual is not clear, sir. Visual means You are saying the resolution of the video. What I learned from you is where to enter, where to exit, how important is to trade stop loss, and the kind of confidence you give. Awesome. Thank you, Karthik sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for the positive feedback. Let's improve. Let's improve. Everyone will eventually. Whoever is getting initial stage, you will be a bit confused how to place stop loss, target, all those things. It all depends on probability. Anyone who's I am saying this one trade $10 I'm ready to lose, right? And you know there is a probability of market moving up. If you are saying 100% market will move up, that is overconfidence. That we should not do. Probability I am saying. Here I am looking at probability of moving upside is high. So if $10 risk is not at all an issue for me, then I will take. $100 will not be an issue for me. Each person risk capacity is different, right? Did you capture the rally on 24th evening? Which rally traders? Did I share the setup here? See, I was completely occupied with hospital work, right? This one, the setup what we shared. You're asking me about the setup? Lokesh sir? Yogesh sir, sorry. Yes, close to 6K profit you made. Okay. Yeah, that setup actually, I asked my wife to take the trade. I did not take. In her account, it will be there. But I don't think entire move she captured because constantly I was a bit occupied with hospital work and things like that. I just told her these are the risk reward ratio. So hopefully when this level reach, you just keep a note. Anyways, triggers I had set right. Ram sir, I'm from Bangalore. Okay. $40 profit made and trailing SL. Thank you. Okay, superb. Going forward, every day I'll come live traders. Okay. So in the month of Feb alone, I'll be going to Singapore for 10 days. That only that time I will not be available, but rest of the 45 days, every time I will be coming live, I will be active, and also regularly in this group I'll share update. Only problem is February. Okay, second week, 14th, 13th to 27 something. So that time I will not be there in India. Apart from that, I will be there. Okay. Regularly we'll keep sharing updates. We'll have discussion. We'll do the live stream, everything. Do you invest in Indian market? 100%, sir. So if you go to our YouTube channel and all, you would have seen the past videos and all, where and all I have, which sector I have planned and all those things and all. 1 year before, clearly I have told. How much leverage and lot size do you trade generally? See, the main reason me coming this live stream and things like that, I know there is a journey for people. Okay, what is this journey is? Initially, we get tempted by looking at what profit others are making, how much they are making, all those things. Always you see in this channel, my goal has always been to give you the education content and majority of the people what risk they are able to take. Based on that only everything I will say, right? So here, whoever is watching this live stream, at least $10 to $15 risk per trade you can take, correct? That is why All the trades what I'm doing, live stream, everything, I have um, I usually share according to them only, because they should not take more quantity just because I am taking. Some people at the initial stage, they will not get that point. So with that thing in mind only, how much ever quantity it is there, I will do. So many people, what they will do, their capacity will be 10-15 dollars, but in front of them half BTC if I take, when they see, okay, this person is making $100, $100, 250, $350, with the same quantity I will make so much profit, like that wrong impression will be created. I don't want that. That is why ideally how much ever it is in this, whatever I want to share, I share the setup. Okay. So to be honest, it completely is irrelevant also, I can say. It doesn't matter how much quantity I take, everything. Initial stage, when you are there in this channel, let's say you're just trading with 10 BTC. Hmm? If let's say I'm trading with 500 units, okay? Next I will trade with 1000 units. That means 1 BTC. You think, anyways, if you are still trading with 10 units, whatever profit or loss what I make by taking this 1000 units, will it impact you? It will not impact, right? Still that 10 dollars, whatever quantity what you take, based on that only you will make profit. You have to see this $10, how I will, 10 units, how I'll improve to 20 units. How you can improve it to 20 units without anybody saying, when you get confidence, right? So you have to keep calculating how much quantity you have to take based on your experience. Initial 1 month you will be trading with, let's say, 50 units. You got confidence, then increase the next month to 75 units. There you see if your psychology is getting affected or not. Then go to 100 units. Slowly think about you progressing. Now many things what I have seen is people getting impressed or getting wrong kind of motivation by looking at what profits other are making, how much they're making. More than that, all my live stream, you see how sensible I am giving you the update, how logical it is. Okay, focus on that learning, then things will work out for you also. I am late today. Vargish Joshua, sir. I remember. Yes, you are late. Happy New Year, sir. My yes, my problem is what leverage to use, you are saying. For that, I have made one video on YouTube. Okay, it is 30 minutes crypto basic video. Now what I will do, I will share that video link with you. End to end, all the basics things that you need to know before trading in crypto market. Many people will have that um, fear, right? Okay, crypto market is new. I don't know certain basics. I'm not going to speak in the this one about why crypto, when crypto was developed, who developed it. All those things is not at all required for us to trade in crypto futures market. What is required, only that I will be discussing. Okay, so that is what is important for you to get the basic understanding. After that, if you just keep spending too much time in learning only, then real world experience you will not get. So what is my suggestion? My suggestion will be, after learning all the basics, you have to start trading at least with 10 units. Okay, this is the link, traders. Okay, you can see in the comment section I have put a video link. That video is absolutely free of cost. I have discussed a lot of basic things in that, so please go ahead and watch that video. Definitely you will find all the basic things that you want to know. Okay, I can say it is little basic to advanced only. Many things what many people do not disclose, I have disclosed there. Since you're trading in dollars, what kind of risk you have to take, what kind of leverage, how you place your stop loss. If 100 points movement, if the BTC do, how much risk you will have, how much reward you will make, everything I've explained. Nifty prediction analysis video. I am getting bored of doing Nifty Bank Nifty analysis video, traders. Anyways, morning I'm sharing, right? So that's why too much focus I'm not giving on that. Can we enter the trade now? See, if you ask me, I have taken a market nearly where I entered, there only it has come. The stop loss is there. So if the stop loss is as per your capacity, for sure you can try. No problem. Telling you, right, this is the selling pressure zone. Here little selling pressure is there. If the buyers are really strong, definitely they can make a very good positive momentum towards the upside. So since the risk reward is good, I have planned this. In case you are having bearish view about the market, then this is not the zone to plan. Rather, maybe more confirmation will come near this zone. Here, continuation, right? So that one, if it is there, we can try. Okay, sir. Is my view clear? You're saying no voice. Sir, others are able to hear me? Try to make video in Hindi. See, I can see many people. First of all, Moz Arenda is saying there is no voice, but others are saying clear. So, sir, you just see your this one. Maybe little less volume is there. Maybe try with earphones, something like that, or just refresh the page and see. Okay. So, okay, others are saying audio is clear. What you guys were asking me about? Try to make video in Hindi, right? See, basically many people are already doing video in Hindi, and mine is a English channel. So Hindi, at least here means I have wide range of people from South India, right? Who also speaks Hindi, and some people who's in North also, they can understand English. That is why I'm trying my best to cover everything in English itself. Hindi I can do. I know a lot of people are interested in North. People are more interested in, all of these things. But where really channels are less, English is less, right? Who comes live and explain all this? Certain South Indian channels has less channels, right? That is why more little focus I'm giving to English. That's all, nothing else. Everywhere language issue. It is not language issue. It is just that people feel more comfortable in their first language. Uh, Now in this one video live stream only, I can speak in Hindi. How much ever Hindi I know, in that I can speak. In English I can speak, Tamil I can speak, Kannada I can speak. I mean comfortably I'm saying. So these languages to a certain extent I can speak, but this will become like Netflix, right? Where you keep changing the audio. Doesn't make sense. Dedicated for English channel, English only. If I speak, it is better. Even I am from Karnataka. Love to see your analysis video daily. Keep it going. All the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Welcome. Little market is holding on to this upper level, but like I said, selling pressure zone, even they are putting a bit of pressure. Constant fight is happening. What to do? Lot of people from non-Hindi speaking states. Yeah, yeah, I know. Try to make. I recently conducted a poll also in the channel. Many people said they speak Tamil. Tamil audience is more. So, traders, what to do? Close to 45 minutes. Live stream is done. We will be. Setup is there. Still, I have not lost the conviction. Why I have not lost the conviction is because probability is there, traders. Probability is there. Stop loss is small. And already first trade we are profitable. We are using that profit, right? So that is what it is. Usually in Nifty, Bank Nifty and all those things, one trade per day rule, all those things we will focus on. But in crypto, to a certain extent, at the initial stage, I am reducing the quantity, but I'm going for 2 trades or 3 trades, because regularly in this group also I have to give updates, right? So certain trades when I don't take, how can I give you updates? Hmm? Do you conduct training session as well? I don't conduct any training session, but you see in our group every day how much updates I share. Each and every video of this is a learning only. Every update which I share here is a learning only, right? So who's interested to join the community group, you can see all the updates what I've shared. I forwarded that to free Telegram group also. Here also those videos is there. And today continuous Nifty, Bank Nifty made the spike, right? What was the logic behind that? I've explained in this particular video. You can see what is the probability of moving, why market from here it can correct, if you are entering call option trade, what can be the risk reward, why Nifty can move, everything I have explained. It is not like giving you calls or tips, right? I am explaining just the way how I'm explaining here in BTC, same way in Nifty and Bank Nifty broader index I am speaking. So that only I consider as education content. Yes, I'm part of Telegram. Okay. What is the SL? SL you can see I have kept 96,628 or something. Okay. Because why I kept the stop loss? Here we are seeing continuation, right? Bullish continuation. Later market has turned a bit sideways. So at this bullish continuation, little below this level, if I keep my stop loss, that is more than sufficient. It is reasonable trade. And for target perspective, initially at least 1 is to 2 risk reward I am planning for. So let me switch to uh, approximately 97,800 will be the first target. Second target will be 98,250. Okay, so let me switch to 15 minutes time frame. So here two situations is there. If the buyers who are here, if they're strong, if they're not hitting my stop loss, then first this area they can go, right? This area it can go from here. Previously this was the selling pressure, market has gone up to this level, so here little selling pressure we are seeing. So if these people are weak, next the market is going to try to target people at the selling pressure zone. I'll go little higher and show. Selling happened here, but big after this breakdown where it came here, right? So this area is the ultimate target kind of view I'm having. So for the small risk that we are taking, 1:3 is very decent. Why we have to plan for bigger targets all the time? Because even if our success rate is 50-50, still 1:2, 1:3 risk reward when we make. Whenever we are making more. When we are losing less. Then it will manage. End of the month we will be profitable, right? That is why. Now simply what I could have told you, Traders, little below this candle we will place our entry. Here we will do scalping. We will plan our exit here. Like that, if I say quick trades will get completed. But more brokerage also you have to give. That is not required. When you take a trade, you are convinced about the trade, stick to the trade is my suggestion. Okay. Now here also you see this trading setup, this reversal setup. I had already spoken about it uh, in the this one. At what time when BTC was near 96,107, from where BTC has reversed from here only, right? 96,107, this range only we have got the move. How much point move? It is close to 1,200 points. So for 1,200 points, this setup only you see. Let's say you are calculating the long position. Entry was somewhere here. Maybe you took little time to enter. Stop loss here. And if you had considered how much far market has gone, it has given at least 1 is to 3.6. I came live, even I had taken trade in front of you only, the first trade. So at least if you kept 1 is to 2 risk reward also, it is close to 600 points. That's a decent move only we will consider. Like this every time you have to follow. In Nifty Bank Nifty, I cannot give all this. I cannot take live trades because of SEBI rules. Today I made around the first trade is profitable. As soon as I came live, I made profit. And one setup today what I planned, where it is this flag pattern we were focusing on, right? In this, I think some testing I was doing, I made a small loss in that. Hi bro, I'm watching your Nifty analysis often, which is nice. Okay sir, thank you. Someone asked me, no, can you mention stop loss target and all? I have mentioned. What maybe you can consider this zone. First target, second target is 97,800. Maybe market can correct later, it can reach 98,250. That will be the third target. But if it comes and hits my stop loss, nothing can be done. That stop loss is something which we already agreed upon and we have entered. Tomorrow will be sideways in Nifty and Sensex from my analysis. What do you think? I have not gone and checked too much, but please join the free Telegram channel early morning before the market open. Before the market open, somewhere around 9 o'clock or 9 o'clock 10 minutes, I will share my view about Nifty. Right? Anyways, that time we would have the pre-market data also. There in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll give you a clear picture after doing my analysis. Okay? Now let's just focus on crypto. Tomorrow morning, this is the free Telegram channel. Link is there in the description box below. Use that. There are many fake channels, so please be very careful. In our free Telegram channel, around 26,133 people are there. Okay, ensure you join the right Telegram group. Tomorrow morning, their free analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty I will share before the market opens. Now, what is the conviction? Will the market move towards the upside? Viewers not change that much, okay? Because I can say this is the pull. Market is creating a flag. This is a bullish flag pattern. From here, if it breaks, nice momentum. For that, small risk I'm taking. That is okay. Later, I will see bearish trade. If there is opportunity, we will share. As of now, we'll just stick to the setup which we have already taken. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're not still like the video, subscribe to the channel, share your support by liking the video. It motivates me to make daily market analysis videos for you guys. And if you wish to join our crypto community group, every day I keep sharing interesting setups here. If you're interested to join, then you can do that by opening account with Delta Exchange. You also get access to our strategy, which is there in the pinned comment. You can go and check it out. Many live trading setups related to that I have shared. And today this Nifty, sorry, this is a BTC reversal setup also is based on our reversal trade only. From here, nice 1200 points move, right? So people who already know the setup, for them it is easy to relate, right? How to trade with the setup. So no need to give too much information because everything is explained in the strategy. Your view is bearish on BTC. Okay, sir, no problem. See, I am at this zone. Buying pressure was there, right? So here probability of continuation is there. I will be bearish, let's say market this trend line. It comes, hits my stop loss, a retest. Again, strong red candles like this is forming here. Then okay, I will focus on bearish continuation. Or more confidence will be when it goes below this trend line. That time I will focus. I have no regrets if my view is gone right or wrong. Okay. At that point of time, before taking the trade, how much ever I want to think, I will think. After I enter the trade, is it as per my risk reward? Yes. Apart from that, nothing else for me is there to think. Market will decide what it wants to do. Sellers taking over. Yeah. Kind of selling pressure is there at this zone. Almost near my stop loss. Close to how much? This is around 618 level correction only, but up to this zone, right? This zone we cannot be very sure up to this zone. My stop loss got hit, so the setup failed. Now, like I said earlier, the setup has failed, but when I enter the trade, whatever logic I had, for me that was convincing. Based on that only I have taken the trade. Now the next setup we will see this trend line. Market is trying to break this trend line. Here you can see this is a consolidation range. This range can act as support after this breakdown. So from here any continuation with small stop loss, maybe we will focus on bearish trade. Okay, little bearishness it is showing right now. But quickly let's not jump, because many people's mindset only will be to enter a bearish trade here, right? Little here, let it come. Then if it is showing any bearishness like this, I will consider. Already 1 hour live stream is done, but I will see if another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, any setup I get, I will take it and I will share the view. Your analysis went right. Super, sir. Appreciation from my end. Done, liked. Okay. SL gonna hit. Yeah. Gonna hit what? It has already hit. Maybe I read your comment late. Still bearish trade I have not taken because this is the support. This is false breakdown or not. We will get to know only based on trend continuation, right? This is my understanding. So we need continuation. If there is continuation, we can try. Like sir said, little here bearishness is there, here bearishness is there. If I have to, If I have that fear of missing out opportunity, stop loss here only I have to place. Quickly I have to take the trade. So like that and all, I have no fear of missing opportunity. If I'm missing the opportunity, what, there is no other opportunity in the market? It is there, right? We will wait for the opportunity, traders. Based on multiple confirmation, when we are getting the entry, then we will see. Will go up, you think? See, there is chance of going up only, traders, a bit from my end. That is why randomly I'm not taking any bearish trade. Let at least continuation should come right here, or at this zone continuation has to come. From the time I've come live, I've told you this trend line is there, traders. If this trend line market nicely reaches this, it is acting as support. More people will enter. This trend line many times it has tested. From here retracement, continuation. Good. That is more probability setup for me. Everybody will have their own view about the market. But I'm not saying your view is right, my view is right, nothing like that. According to me, if I am putting in the money, I should go based on what I feel about the market, right? So for me, I don't think it is still bearish confirmation we have got to take the risk. Okay. Here, bit of bearishness is there. Okay. Trend line is there. Market has broken this trend line. Little it is showing momentum, but it is trying to hold on to this range. We will wait. If there is any additional confirmation we are getting, we will look into bearish. Randomly, I will personally not take a bearish trade. Okay. Now, what do you guys think? Will the market move towards the upside? Will it move towards the downside? Or is it going to stay a bit sideways? Will touch the trend line. This trend line you're saying? Okay. See, one thing I will tell you. Now, this range, what is market is, right? This is very crucial range. Why, I'll tell you. Support, 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 support level breakdown. If market decides to hunt the stop loss at this breakdown, okay, if it really wants to move up, this is the zone where it will start moving towards the upside. Okay. But in case if market moves down up to this zone, after I close the live stream, also remember this. Okay, if it comes here, takes support and shows bullishness, here I will not be looking for bullish trade. I'll be looking more on the bearish side itself. So ideally this has to be the zone from where buyers, if they are re-entering, they have to enter, because by the time market comes here, already everyone would have made profit, right? So no point in targeting a reversal setup there. Correct. So here, if it market comes, then continuation towards the downside probability is high. From this current zone, if these buyers re-enter here who's entered, after attracting some people, from here only it has to reverse. Okay, this is my understanding. If you ask me where you're going to put the money right now, market is continuously falling. If you have to take the risk, where you will take the risk now till it goes towards the downside? I will take risk on the buying side only, because from here, if buyers start pushing the market, bigger momentum is possible. For that, should I take a small risk? I can take. Will i will i lose the money? If I lose the money, will I feel disappointed? No, I will not, because I'm going based on what I have learned. So in case my stop loss hits, market goes to this zone. From here, if it is showing any bullishness also, continuation, bearish trade, I will plan here. Bullish trade, if I have to plan, I will plan here. So just because you are there online, even I am there, I'm saying from here, if buyers are there, if they want to push, they can push. Front of you, I will take this trade. I have no fear of taking losses. Reasonable stop loss I will give. Scroll down, go, take this risk. Loss is decided, entry is decided. Now all I have to wait is for these buyers. If they're really strong, they will put pressure. My real dependency is on these buyers who are here. If they push, they can push it nicely. If they fail, even I will fail. I'm ready to accept that. So with that view, I've taken this trade. Now what if after me closing the live stream, market comes here? Here if it is showing bearishness, here I'll try to go along with people who's bearish. Okay, at this zone I'm saying. At this zone, if I have to put my money, I'll put it on the bullish side only. So I can't keep repeating the same thing because how much time to say? Anyways, so how I look at the market, on whose side I want to rely upon at the current condition, that I do based on price action, stop loss hunting, and trade psychology. Now simply a random buy trade I did not take. I've explained the logic to you. I've taken this entry. We will see, because after that I might not get the next setup. Get ready to take a sell. Okay, I'm ready. Gold looking good to buy. See, gold. You mean gold in terms of forex you are saying, or you are saying in terms of gold bees or things like that? Can you clarify my doubt, sir? Are you asking about, you are saying gold looking good to buy? Oh, you are saying gold is looking to buy, good, looking good to buy. Okay. Now traders, I will uh, tell the logic for entry. Okay. Now we know there is one support zone here. Okay. Continuously, this trend line is acting as support. Now, in a lower range, on a higher time frame, if you see also, that level is acting as a strong support. Now, by chance, market comes here after taking my stop loss. If it moves towards the upside, more focus will be on the bearish side. Okay, because market has fallen nicely, right? So after falling, if it goes off up to this zone, then everybody at the support, they might think about re-entering, considering this as supporting zone. But from here, trend continuation is possible. So sellers can be strong at this zone. Okay, that is the setup on the bearish side. Why did I take bullish side? Because the buyers who entered the market here after hunting the stop loss, we could see some correction. Not many people would have made bigger profit on the bearish side here. If these buyers are really strong, at some point of time, they can do one attempt to push the market towards the upside. With that logic, I have taken the trade. Simply by giving an update, I cannot go, right? So if the buyers really are strong, if I want to, uh, I will get to know only after the moment. But probability is there. Based on that probability, I have taken this trade. So hopefully you have understood why I have taken this trade. Already 1 hour. Usually I come live stream for 1 hour. So setup is there. We will see if the setup goes well. Good. There was one person who was trying to act very uh, cocky. So I think team has tried to remove his comment. So everybody try to be professional in the group. Almost everyone, I know everyone is professional. More than 20, 30, 25 live streams I have done. So I know how well mannered you guys are. I think my team has blocked that person. So like I was saying, stop loss target, when we go as per the view, what is the most important thing? Stop loss, right? That stop loss have we placed? Yes. Is the stop loss as per our capacity? Yes. That's all we need to worry about. If market hits my stop loss, okay, done. Next, I've told from the lower end what is the possibility that we will see. Please explain trend continuation. Trend continuation in the sense what you are asking, I'm not sure. Okay. Maybe I hope you have understood. This is the zone where buyers can enter. That is why I have taken that risk, because before I close the trade, this was there. I took this trade. Okay. Trend continuation towards the downside can happen. Let's say market went down, hit my stop loss. It broke here. It gave a breakdown here. Many people will enter, but there might be a correction. Later, market can continue the down move. Why it can continue the down move? I will say because here, who and all entered, by the time market reached this level, they are already in good profit. So it will be very difficult for market to hunt their stop loss. It can only hunt stop loss of people who are here, here, here. See, in this case, my stop loss is taken. Market is moving towards the downside. So during this continuation down move, high, low, lower high, lower low, market will come here. Let's say here again, if buyers think to re-enter, again bearish side movement is possible. So with that logic, I am saying continuation towards the downside can happen if market comes to this support. The chances of market respecting this support will be very less. Okay. So that is the view. That is what I am saying about trend continuation. Is it clear? Traders, as of now, you can see on this setup what I had taken. It has moved towards the downside. The small stop loss what I gave, market took. But here we will wait and see if market moves towards the downside, corrects, shows any trend continuation, little bearish side we can try to focus, because there are some nice momentum in the market. Previously it has happened like this, right? So here, after this correction, if it moves towards the upside and shows bearishness, small stop loss, this area can be the first target, 95,600. Second target can be this. So 95,400. This can be close to 700, 800 points, but we will try to keep trailing and going in case market continues the downside move. Basically, target we are not setting because the trend continuation, if it happens like this candle here, let's say okay, it was a glitch, but without the glitch, if the movement was just continuing, bigger momentum we would have captured. That is why when you asked, I did not say why, what is the target, I said we will see what is the target. Okay, so as of now market is here. This is not a proper range. Let it show any continuation. Later maybe we can focus on call. Oh, sorry, put option trade. Sorry, again I'm saying put option trade, bearish trade. Until then, better to wait and observe the market. Okay. Can market do further down move without retest due to pressure? See, it depends on how big the candle is. Okay, here let's say very big candle like this is formed, then panic selling can happen, continuation can happen. If that is not the case, slowly market is coming down, here it is attracting the buyers, then at the lower level we will get opportunity to take a bearish trade. Okay, it depends on the candle. Strong candle, strong candle like this without any wick like that, if it is there, then we will see. Okay, continuation directly without correction can happen. As of now, no, still there is chance. Is Delta Exchange legal in India? Yes, it is 100% legal. It is registered under the government. There is something called FIO registration. So for Delta Exchange, they have done that. So you can do your own research. I have done my research. It is it is legal. That is why I'm doing live stream in BTC using Delta Exchange. Okay. So traders, anyways, 1 hour 15 minutes done. Further update I will share in the crypto community group. If you're not joined, link is there in the description box below. It is also there in the pinned comment. You want, you can join, and everything I share there is absolutely free of cost. Just all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange and complete one trade. Okay. So further details I will share in the group. As of now, have a neutral view. Here any continuation will be focusing on bearish trade. Here still market is kind of in indecision zone, I can say. Any update, any sentiment change, anything like that, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so thank you everyone for participating. So this one nice trade we got, two small attempts, whatever we tried, we could have captured around 20%, 25%, but we planned for bigger target. That's okay. Tomorrow is a new day. We will try for better setups. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Sir, I'm not still in trade, sir. My stop loss, I had kept small stop loss. No, that stop loss got hit. So continuously, 3 trades we have taken. So in that risk at all, small risk only we have taken. Next trade, whatever is there, if I'm taking one more trade, I will keep you posted. Okay.